In this video, I want to talk about an email I got from Gemini Exchange about recurring buy could pay off. And right here, it does say that this can really be really good when you invest into Gemini Exchange, which is right here. And I want to go over this piece right here in terms of investing to Gemini and how to set up recurring buys right on the platform. My name is Adam Shelton, and thank you for watching this video. And this is the place to be to grow your brand and grow your bank account. You know what time it is. Let's go ahead and dive into this content. Now, let's go ahead and look back at that email one more time that says setting up a recurring buy is not just a convenient option. It's a proven strategy that can reduce risk, and this could be really good for your investment from the market volatility. Investors call it dollar cost average. Now, Gemini has been really hot because, and they also been in the news because they just recently added Dogecoin, which is right here. Now, I'm already signed up to Dogecoin, sign up to Gemini. Right below this video, if you don't have Gemini, you don't know where you're missing, because this is an exchange of where it's very easy and simple to invest into this platform. Now, when they're talking about the recurring buy, this is what they're talking about. So if I go right to the main page, which is right here, and if I'm just choosing an asset and I'm trying to set up my buy orders or even my sell orders, it's all going to be right here. Now, when they're saying recurring buy, which is basically right here, when they're talking about dollar cost average, kind of set up your recurring buy automatically, you can set it up right here that says how often do you buy. So you can set this up once daily, weekly, twice monthly, and just monthly. So, if you want to set it up on a weekly basis, you can set it up. Okay, so I want to buy Dogecoin on a weekly basis. So let's say it's fine what day it is. So let's do it every Wednesday at the end of the week. Or better yet, let's do it on Friday. Let's say payday was Friday. So I want to set up recurring buys every Friday. So every Friday, excuse me. Sorry. Excuse me. So every Friday, I want to put in $100. So $100, I want to put $100 in. Now, what happens is when I review this order, it tells me exactly what the next step is. Frequency, $100 a week, Friday around 12 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, and available withdrawals 4 to 5 days. And this is the amount that's going to go to, and it's $97, and there's the $2.99. Now, you can set up a different payment method right here. Just click there, and you can set up a different payment method, another bank or your debit card. So you set this up more on a weekly basis. Now, you can set this up and say, I want to do it twice monthly, the 1st and the 15th, 2nd and 16th. I kind of like all these options here. It definitely give you in some varieties, 3rd and 17th, 4th and the 18th, 5th and the 19th, and so on. So, and then you can set it up. If I want to do $50, I can do $50, and I can do review order. I can do it review order, and it just says right here, 1st and the 15th every single week. So basically, by following this, it's basically saying you invest on your time and your terms. So you taking more control on when you want this to be done, and you set this up automatically. It's set it and forget it. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and twice a month, I'm going to pay $50. I'm going to invest $50 to Dogecoin. Now, the only thing about that is that you don't know the price of Dogecoin, and you may buy it. Let's say you may get Dogecoin when it's 30 cents on one week, and the other week you may end up getting it on, maybe $1 or 60 cents like that. So you basically don't know what the terms is in terms of what the price is going to be, but then you do have the investment. And it's one of those things is that pretty much you're investing on your terms and your time. So yes, it's always a chance in the risk. This is not financial advice, but this is showing you that yes, you can set this up on a recurring buy. And maybe this is a good strategy to have, because according to this, it says this can help out, this can reduce risk, and it can be really good in terms of the market volatility. Investors call it dollar cost averaging when you're setting up your recurring buy. It's not just and a convenient option. It's a proven strategy that can reduce risk. So in that terms, hey, why not set it up? And then set this up what works for you. You can do it twice a monthly. You do it every month. The first of every month, I put in $200 in. And I go ahead and I put my review here, and it tells me exactly what it is. $200 a month, $197 that is actually the asset itself, and then the transaction fees is right there. So it's a good way of kind of just investing on your own time and your own, obviously your own money. But then again, you get those investment, and then you just check your portfolio. It'll go right to your portfolio. So when you invest in that, it'll go right in your portfolio, and you should be good to go. And you'll see what your portfolio looks like at the end of the month or end of the week or anything like that. So once daily, recurring, twice monthly, and monthly. So those are the options that you have in terms of that. So check it out. Click on the link below. Sign up for your free Gemini account. Start investing to Dogecoin. I think Dogecoin, up until like a week, you don't pay any fees in terms of transaction fees, but you do pay. You may have to pay like a credit card fee, something like that. But right now, I think they're having a special where you don't pay any Dogecoin fees for about a week. So it's May 6th. So I think it goes for a week from now, I believe. And then that offer goes away. So I advise you to take a look at that and take advantage of those opportunities if that's something you want to do. But yes, this is a recurring buy. You can also sell like that too. I wish you could sell like that. So the selling is a little bit different. It's not recurring like selling. Okay, I want to sell it every 2 weeks, but you can buy it every 2 weeks or every month or something like that. All right, my name is Adam Shelton. Thank you for watching this video, because this is the place to be to help out with your bank account and grow your brand. So like, comment, subscribe. If you feel like this video really resonate to you, it's going to help you in terms of like recurring, automatically send them to your buy orders. And then also click on the link below to get started with Gemini. Gemini is an excellent, platform to purchase your first or maybe your second or third, asset from. And I'll see you on the next video.